Okay, we got the mouth hooked back up. We finally got it where we wanted it. Now it will open and close without catching. Got our block in here to hold it. That's working. Going to put our dowel in here to see how we're setting with that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Give this a test to see if we have to adjust this at all. No, it's going to work just fine. That's working good. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue our dowel in, and then we'll be ready to give it a final sanding and finish it up. Thanks for watching.